Architectural Builder's Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Yes.
What is the difference between the 874 kit and the 874 kit ST?
That is a good question. One moment. Let me look at this. Okay, so the 874 is a replacement shock for the old unit, the discontinued KB100.
Mm-hmm.
And 874-ST seems to be the replacement unit for the KB100 ST.
I understand. I understand. And they're not, obviously.
Yeah, I'm looking as well. That is a really good question because I don't see how there would be a difference.
Yeah, I have the 874 here. I don't have the ST version of it to compare them is the problem.
Yeah, can I put you on hold and allow me to ask someone?
Yes, ma'am. Take your time.
Just one moment. Okay, I am being told that they are different, that the STs can only work on the ST units.
Yeah, there must be something about the gas piston itself that's physically different because I would imagine that the weight would change and therefore the lifting mechanism needs to be slightly different. So,
yeah, I think where the ST is recessed in the wall, there has to be a different alignment for that one.
Right on. Well, thank you very much. I just wanted to be, I needed to make sure I wasn't going to do something silly and send them, oh, no, it'll fit. No, don't do that. Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builder's Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.